Soup to the Mario Maker. Don't forget the world and engine. Don't forget about the world engine. Super Mario Maker. Notification. I got a live stream. I gotta watch it after I finish this video. Yeah, this is a recreation of the average glitch. Welcome back to Super Mario Maker. Don't forget the two. Oh, I gotta pause that video because I don't want to share my password. Then, no, you're not gonna have my password. You're not gonna have my password. Oh, I back on it. And got another one. Super Smash Stars. Of course. Yeah, you remember Endless? I got that I switched up once. And now I'm gonna play new courses. I think another VS World. Two free. Level 2 free only. Now World. Level 2. Ah! Oh, and it lagged. Man, it's pooping today. Why does it pooping? Because every time I spin that, it sounds like I'm pooping. Ah! Pooped on the wall. But no one wants to be pooped on. Oh, I hear two dogs now. Ooh, gotta get that 30 coin. At least you could use a 10 one from me. Uh-oh. Actually, right. Oh, wow, genius game design. That is it. Uh-oh. Oh, that's fun. Ooh, ooh. Nope. Nope, restarting. Ooh, you don't like the Nivel. Ah, yes, you like Nivel. Does anyone like a Spanish? I'm not racist, bro. Spanish is so hard. Of course, you gotta add an angry sun, so we gotta be on our toes. No one likes being on their toes. Which one has a motion? I want to know your secret. Damashi. Oh, here's Damashi. I don't remember doing like that. No, you're my friend. No, you're my friend now. Wow. She looks so cool. Whoa! It's a, it's the sun. Why is he attacking me? Sun, what did I do to you, sun? Angry. Why is the sun angry? Ah! Ah, testicles. Hello. I don't like you. Oh my god. Oh, I got to go. Let it go. Nivel normal wide translator. Back. Out. What is it? Out. So mean. I know. Are they talking about the Star Fox character? I don't play Star Fox. I don't like Star Fox. All I want is just to eat a mushroom for dinner. Point. That's evil. Hello. Thank you. I just why is there freaking one? Which one? I want to be in floor. Yeah, I said I don't want to be in the floor. I said I want in floor. No. I can. Oh, it's extreme demon. Extreme demon. Gone wrong. Extreme demon got wrong. Yoshi's Island too. Yes, Yoshi's Island. I mean the Mario World level. These people don't know anything. Got me mushy. Please, please, Yoshi. I need that. If we don't have to have to. Good level. Good this game has. Okay, stop. No! No, 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 no! No! No, 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 yo! If I could beat him, I would eat him. Papala pela. I know I love Layla. Inside this too. No, 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 no. Monty Mole, no, 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 no. Dude! 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 You stupid walking monsters. I don't even remember these guys. The lick it back to he's a lick it back. Got a dish this guy, you know it. Where's he gone? Of course I'll dish my Yoshi. No, that'll be say that in my say that to your mom. Say that to Yoshi fan. They will definitely hate me for this. Uh-oh. Send in the red. They got the Yoshi trying to escape my hands. No. Fire flower. Actually, fire. So this bro doesn't know how. Boy, get out, dude. No one loves you. Charging Chuck. Staring at me like I did not. I did something to you. No, no, no. I didn't. Blah, blah. La 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 la. Chicken. La la la. The chicken. La la la. The chicken. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. I hate, why do I activate these? I, I was holding, oh, no, Mario is not number one. Luigi. La 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 la. I gotta wash my face, guys. Slow down. I don't know how to do good up day. I like how to do this day. I like how to do it. No, because, like, this thing, No, the dog, the dog. Oh yeah, it's P1. Oh, twirl. That didn't simple. Yeah, like the current condition doesn't count if you enter a pipe. Which is wow. How is that buggy? Any mama there? Mama there? That's perfect. Got it. Head. Externa pupupi. Dun, 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 dun. I got simple. Yeah. It sounds like nothing. No, I'm not expecting it. Remember, the actual there's no song. You're supposed to think it's like going da 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 da. We guy. Wow. Oh, this is funny. I love when there's goofy bugs in SP. Like literally, you can make any moving power up stop. It's and also that I mentioned it's a pretty simple. It also works for the acorn and the penguin. So the penguin's gonna bob, acorn is gonna roll around, doing the same coins. Even works with any style that has moving power ups, which is for two of styles. They're gonna just be just just one up. But for the penguin, the penguin doesn't accept anything. Super player. So that's it's a fly. So I'm just going to bottom. I got two. Oh, I'm going to actually right. It gives me much. But no, crap. Cheap, very cheap, very cheap, very cheap. No, okay. Fun fact, ice balls and tomorrow actually look like these guys. Did this. Normally, there's only ice bears. Now you could make ice Goombas and everything. So, how about, how about, no, nine, how about boomerang? Oh, I want to make boomerang. I want to make fire Goombas, ice Goombas. I can't, and also, you can make tomorrow. There's a great Goombas have hammers. Oh my god, that's amazing. Alright, and maybe better, boomerang Goombas or more. Okay, guys, yo, everybody, we're back on a. Oh, wait, did Super Mario make it? Oh, I was taking it down, so Mario illa. Sorry if I offended. If I offended any Spanish person. Yeah. Seriously, sorry if I offended 0% of the community. Ow, ow, ouch, ouch. Alright, I will play this one. Yeah, yeah, don't take the damage. Tamash is a YouTube. Go again. Load. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Does it find a different type thing? The last time for now. That much on cool. Because it's still last time. What is the kind for real? Oh, my friend. Oh, I said I don't. I'm recording you. You didn't know. Also got notification. I mm, make I made I made VO VO I made VO. Yeah, let's just ignore it. Let's just ignore. Yeah, let's ignore. Oh, my friend wants to talk. I oh that I play. I just play by him. What? Guys, that maybe will be it.